Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your website header section, this green section, in my case, in Google Sites. In this video, I will show you how to turn from this to this. The header section background image is changed, and then how to remove this green theme, this green color theme like this. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to sites.google.com. Then click on the website you want to change its header section background image. Then select the header section with a simple click of your mouse, and you will see those options. Click on image. You can either upload, you can select a photo, or let's start with the other one. You can either upload a photo from your computer, like this one, or select one from the gallery of these images. Let's pick this, for example, this laptop one. Select the photo, click on insert, and before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also, how to create forms, maps, and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons, and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking, and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors, and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger, Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. This laptop one, select the photo, click on insert, and don't forget to click on the publish button 2 times. And let's view my published site. And this is the new header section background image. And as you see, it still uses a green theme. To remove this green theme or color, simply go back to your website, then go to themes, and here select a different template or simply a different color scheme. Click on publish again, publish 2 times. Let's view my published site. And now my header section photo does not use this green color theme. And this is how to change your website header section background image in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.